heavy, heavy, baby, woman. Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy, baby, woman.
Yeah, you're the one I want, oh. Before my liver start to fail, you're the one I need, oh.
Alright guys, so this is like my everyday no makeup look. So yep, right now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. This is what I use. I use oil free acne moisturizer, that is Neutrogena. And I don't know why I have glitter all over my my hands. I don't know, so I'm applying this all over my face before I apply my primer. So now I'm going to apply my primer, and this is the primer that I use, Rimmel Stay Matte primer. I've been using this primer for a very long time because it actually works for me. So yeah, I also get oily around my T-zone area, so I pack a lot of primer over there. So guys, I would like to do my brows off camera because it takes too much time for me to do my brows and get it right. So yes, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and right now my brows is all done. So now I'm going to apply my foundation, and actually right now my color has changed a lot. So I have been mixing my foundation a lot. I use the Maybelline Fit Me 355, and then I also use the Urban Decay HD foundation. I don't even know, I think I use the shade 10.0, and I also have Maybelline Fit Me 360, and I mix all this shade just to get my shade, you know what I mean. I like to use this one first, the Urban Decay, because it's a full coverage and it covers my dark blemishes. So I only pump a little bit of this, and then I put it on my dark spot where it normally shows that I have dark spots. And as you can see, I have some around here, and I have a lot of dark spots, sorry. Alright, so I really take my time when it comes to my foundation. Now guys, I'm going to highlight my face using my LA Girl HD conceal. I just use a little bit. I don't like to use too much, especially when it's just a casual look that I'm going for, like a soft glam look that I'm going for. So yep, I just use a little bit underneath my eyes, like, and a little bit on my nose, right here and there. Okay, and then I'm just blending it in. So guys, I'm gonna be using my Milani loose powder, and this is in the color A1 Soft Sand. I really love this loose powder. It's not expensive, it's a drugstore brand. As you know, Milani is a drugstore brand, but this loose powder is really beautiful. It gives me the kind of look that I'm going for, especially when I'm going for a soft glam look. And I don't really leave this loose powder on to bake. No, I don't do that with this loose powder. I just, you know, apply it directly without, you know, leaving it on to bake my face, because I'm not really going for that harsh makeup look. Right now I'm going to use my CoverGirl Cream bronzer. Alright, my son is around, so he's making a ton of noise. If you hear him, just know that I'm just a mother. I'm a mother. So yep, I just try to do this. I don't really like the sharp contour that people do. No, I don't like that. So yep, I'm gonna just do this. This bronzer is really beautiful for dark skinned girls. So if you're somebody who is looking for something very affordable, it's CoverGirl Cream and it's really nice on the skin. So most of this product that I'm using is a drugstore product, so yeah, very affordable. So my eyeliner is done. Now I'm gonna apply my Urban Decay mascara. Underneath my eyes, I'm gonna apply the red shade.
But not today, just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night.
So I'm gonna apply this shade on the Kali Bible as my highlighter.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so
Alright guys, so I don't know if I should apply false lashes. I have this natural looking false lashes that I want to apply, so I might be applying that. But for now I'm going to spray my face with my setting spray from MAC. So guys, I'm going to apply this eyelashes from Case. This is a natural looking eyelashes. As you can see, I really do love it. I apply it whenever I want to look more natural. Alright guys, so I'll be back with the rest of my look. I don't know which look I'm going for today, but maybe let's see.
Touch me like you need it, like you need it, yeah. I see the way you did look me. I should be the one that is teasing. I want Bobo, one shady, really be. Look at them, one for your she be. I know you